breaking news which is coming in right now is that Ratan Tata returns to the helm of Tata Sons. That's the big breaking news that we are getting for you. Tata Sons board has replaced Cyrus Mistry as the chairman, and the decision has been taken at a board meeting earlier today. Ratan Tata is now the interim chairperson. Well, let's go across to our managing editor, Hector Kenneth, who's joining us with more on this. The reason behind this decision, Hector?
Well, no specific reason has been given by the board of Tata Sons, but we understand that Cyrus Mistry stepped down earlier today, and in fact the decision apparently was taken about 2 days back, and he's now been replaced in an interim arrangement by the former chairman Ratan Tata. There will be now a board that has been consisted, which consists of Ratan Tata, Venu Srinivasan of TVS, Amit Chandra, former diplomat Ronen Sen, and Lord Kumar Bhattacharya. They will now select a new chairman within the next 4 months. Perhaps what is being told to various business wires is that some decisions that Mr. Mistry took were not seen very kindly by the board of Tata Sons, one of which was the decision to move away from Chorus Steel, something that Mr. Tata himself had taken a lot of pride in while acquiring.
Now, Hector, does this mean that this is an interim board? Does that mean that they are still on the lookout for the chairperson? And is it going to be someone who's going to be employed? Because that was the big takeaway from Cyrus Mistry's appointment.
Well, this is an interim arrangement for 4 months, and the next committee will now choose a new chairman. The chairman will be appointed in 4 months. One of the names that is being seen as a front runner is Noel Tata, who is Mr. Tata's cousin, and currently running the retail business of the Tatas, which is the Star Bazaar, etc. And he's seen as one of the front runners. He was a front runner earlier as well, but the board decided to name Cyrus Mistry, the first outsider to be named as the chairman of Tata Sons. And it's likely that the board would now lean once more on the family name to take over.
What are the implications of this change, at least for the next 4 months, Hector, on brand Tata per se?
Well, it won't affect the brand as such, because the brand is pretty large enough to sustain on its own. But there could be some changes in the decision-making process, which took a different direction under Mr. Mistry.
So we expect some operational changes. You mentioned that there may have been a bit of a fallout regarding decision-making. So Ratan Tata, does he return to the helm with all executive powers? Well, we'll get you more inputs on that. This, of course, is the basic information which is coming in right now. Tata Sons board has replaced Cyrus Mistry as the chairperson. We are still waiting for an official announcement as to the reason for this change. However, the decision has been taken at the board meeting already, and it is Ratan Tata, none other than Ratan Tata, who again returns as the interim chairperson.